What's up, my people from all over the world? Jamaica, US, England, Canada. Stay tuned for this rice and peas with much more flavor. So I soaked some peas overnight and I'll be boiling with some onions, garlic, some pimento seeds, and a little hint of some chicken that I seasoned to prepare. Yes, I learned this from my auntie Pam. Big up yourself, Auntie Pamela. Yes, this rice and peas, when you cook it, you don't even need meat because this chicken was already seasoned, so it does give this pot a lot of flavor. And it's a tiny pot I'm cooking, and I added a piece of the seasoned chicken in this to help add some flavor to my pot. Once it's cooked, I added some frozen coconut milk, scallion, thyme. I'll be adding a pepper in. It's like really hot, so I don't want it boiling in. I seasoned with a hint of black pepper, garlic powder, coconut milk is in it already. If you want, you can add butter to yours. There is sufficient fat in it. So I'm showing you the chicken. The chicken is cooked out in this and helps to enhance this rice and beans, or rice and peas as we know in our Jamaican household. It will give my pot even more flavor and more taste. So after the seasoning is cooked in it, and at this point I did not have a green pepper, however I have a yellow pepper that's like really hot. I washed some basmati rice and I added to my pot. I stirred once the majority of the water was boiled out. Then I added a hot pepper to this. Then I added some foil paper to help to steam the rice on low heat. Now what the foil does is block off any excess water that would make your rice real soggy. After 20 minutes, my rice is ready for serving. And let me tell you something, you too need to try this out. This tastes really good. I've seen persons too boil the chicken skin after they season their chicken in this pot to cook rice and peas. You too need to try it this way. I've also seen persons use salt beef, pig steel. I don't consume pork, so I tried it with my seasoned chicken. I do hope that you too will try this recipe. You can have this meal by itself, with veggies, or any meat of your choice. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Thank you also for subscribing. Stay tuned and I'll see you soon in another upload. Please don't forget, on your way in or out, please remember to hit that like button at the bottom left corner and give your girl a like and drop few comments. Happy holidays to you. Stay tuned and see you soon. My rice and peas cooked with a little chicken to add flavor and taste to my Jamaican style rice and peas.